I want to invite Abstract up next.
Hello, everyone. My name is Adair Kelley, and I am co-founder of Abstract Money. They asked us for a fun fact. I majored in classical music. I play the oboe, so if you want to play some chamber music after the conference, let me know. I love Cosmos. Cosmos is awesome. CosmWasm is awesome. But there are a lot of problems that we have in this ecosystem. We are not collaborating with one another very well. We are building our applications and our app chains in silos instead of bringing the horizontal scaling that we want to have in the Cosmos ecosystem and that modularity and composition that is touted by the Cosmos SDK. And a consequence of this is that we have insufficient tooling for smart contract application development. And this insufficient tooling means that teams are spending a lot of time setting up their infrastructure, building the same things, the same primitives from scratch each time. And finally, funding challenges. Public goods funding is broken. It just doesn't work. And so we're trying to solve this. So a consequence, as I mentioned, is the stifled app innovation. We've seen a lot of iteration over the years where we have new DEXs, new NFT marketplaces, new boring products. And apps are built from scratch equals boring products. The teams also have to do manual integrations. They have to maintain these integrations with their partners if they want to collaborate. And these integrations, they keep to themselves. Otherwise, their competitors might beat them to market. Bad tooling. So at Abstract, we're trying to make dApp development easy. We're trying to get you, as a developer, to be able to go from idea to MVP to product launch as soon as possible. And this is only possible through enhanced collaboration and composition of people's knowledge and development skills. So we have a cosmic opportunity. Our tooling needs to enable us to build applications in a smaller and more modular and composable way. So right here, we have an example of 42 Finance. Shout out to Dan. They've built an autocompounder on Abstract, and we've reduced their number of lines needed by 75%. Their number of smart contracts, same. Their application stack is much more scalable than other autocompounder projects or any projects in Cosmos right now. And how is this possible? Through Abstract's account architecture. All applications are built on top of account abstraction. These are programmable abstractions that make that allow for deeper integrations with your smart contracts, and they enable something that we're calling personalized DeFi. We were going with self-hosted DeFi first, but SheFi didn't inspire the right thoughts. So right here, we can see the service integrations. And these are actually modules. We have like DEX adapters, staking adapters, any primitive that we've already built in DeFi, we have adapters for those, and they're modules. And 42 has built the autocompounder on top of this that leverages these existing integrations maintained by other teams. And this is composition, and it also enables for sustainable development because the teams that are maintaining these integrations are getting paid. So they're financially incentivized to keep them maintained. And going back to personal DeFi, why would we rely on like corporations and services to run these for us when we can run them ourselves? We can create an instance of account abstraction, an abstract account, and install these applications ourselves and run an autocompounder on our assets, completely self-sovereign. And so something else that we want to emphasize in Cosmos is that we shouldn't be thinking about chains. We should just be thinking about we're interacting with an application. And so we're touting this as chain abstraction. We abstract away a lot of the things for developers and for users with a name service and a version control, which allows for asset, contract, and DEX pool and chain resolution. Here's our status. I'll skip over that. My shout out to my co-founder, Robin Bishop. You can follow us on Twitter. We actually met at Cosmoverse 2021, and now we're here. So that's pretty cool. And we won HackWasm last year. We're building for builders. And so you can follow us on Twitter at AbstractSDK. Check out our website at Abstract Money. And check out our open source developer tooling on GitHub. So thank you very much.